easily find the information on your video. You can add all of the subtitles while uploading the video, and all of the analytics for your subtitles will be shown here. Here you can see languages, in which languages they are. If you have made any modifications on them, then all those will be appeared here as well. Here you can see subtitles. You can provide the title and descriptions to the video. It will be shown accordingly. Similarly, here might be some of the here might be the draft subtitles. You might want to keep some of the subtitles for draft, so all of that will appear here. And similarly, all of your published video subtitles will be appearing here. You can readjust them, modify them, change the language, and see this title and description for the subtitles as you wish. This is what you need to know about subtitles. Based on how your subtitles are doing, or if there is a certain part that you need to change, you can do it from here. You can see all the subtitles that you have added. Now going to the copyright. Copyright is one of the very important part of YouTube. When a content creator makes any content, they might put a copyright claim on their video if someone else uses it, so that their content can be safe within themselves and not be exploited by other content creators. YouTube content creators, some of them may allow others to use your content, some of them may not allow, and then they might add a copyright strike when you use their content. Copyrights, there are lots of rules for copyright. We need to learn about this briefly, so that there won't be any problem with the copyrights while you upload your videos. For example, if you use a certain music that has copyright, then your video might get strike from the owner of that music, or from the owner of that channel, uh, asking you to either remove the video, take down the video, or they might run the ads on your videos, and your videos will be demonetized. So there are different factors for the YouTube channel copyrights. You can learn them about in brief. From here you can see, looking for a copyright claim somebody made on your video, check the video list. Here you can see, and for example, let's say somebody did a fake copyright claim on your video. For example, they don't own the content that you have used in your video, but they still add a copyright claim to the video. If you are 100% sure that it's not their content, then you can put a